Abusia, something unbelievable happened at Secondary Takrade Metropolis. A 20-year-old gentleman actually sekan at the award no ankasa ni nua wedi 17 years. Ewo Takrade over a padlock. Padlock. Yes, you heard me. Padlock. Mampong, a community ewo Takrade. Na omo enim Takrade pa no ben Cancer Road. Na so kupim wo sa kro ni mu a. Chief linguist a wo krom ho, a friend na Kwame na fama nyame. Ene eche se 20-year-old gentleman ni ye friend yaw. Na yawi owo ni nua wedi 17 years a ye friend Pakwesi. Pakwesi ni yaw. Ene omo mame, ene omo stepdad ene che. Na emrantie, it is believed say on the day of that particular unfortunate incident, Abrantie Pakwesi was looking for his phone. It is believed say sa phone was in the room of ne brother friend yaw. Na yaw so allock ne dan. Enti Pakwesi to be able to get his phone needed to look for yaw. Enti ohwehwe yaw. Baby a enya de wo hu yaw. And any attempt to reach yaw so proved otherwise. Enti at a point he realized say padlock ne dan ni mu dia. Why not? Obetumi ato padlock for the atum. Enjani wo bu ani na wakwa koyi ne phone no wi a wape padlock foforo e de ama ne brother na branche no after so bu padlock na owo dem wo hwehwe ne phone no e na ne brother e baaye ne brother ya obaaye no se denti na Pakwesi antwe ya mana mafie na wakwa kubu ne dan nani and abranche ni bufuye akasakasa mu anotwe sekan and the one younger brother wedi 17 years. Emma instantly Pakwesi e de to anananom e was said. Now after that branch and sebi ehu bonefo sema wedi no e na ope baby fire. As we speak now, the Kwesimintim District Police Command aba scene one ma omaba be convey the body of Pakwesi de akopimu e wo mortuary na oma launch manhunt for the arrest of 20-year-old yaw. A oma sanso initiating investigations into this particular matter. Now on this issue, three things: anger, drugs and mental related issues. Obiti asemi say ya Otimi say padlock keke. Yes, padlock. But to your surprise, there is a story that I'm working on now. Obi Akuobi because of ginger into Obi Akuobi. And Nina comes down to anger, any mental issues. I always say one of the things that set us apart as human beings from animals is the ability for us to control our anger. Abua webufu, ene nipa nso webufu. Nemum no, the bema wo wa dance so say we nipa from sebi abua. Ene say webufu ba, ubetumi ahye wo ho so se nipa. Enkebida say me de me webufu ni mebufu ba me de utumi so mu. No, that is not something that you pride yourself in. Anger ama nkofo bebre akopie baby eni so omupie. There's something about anger. It takes few minutes, but the regret lasts forever. Learn to control your anger and understand say the ability to control your anger no is what makes you human and also sets you apart from animals. And it's quite unfortunate, but anger, drugs and mental issues issues related to drugs, I will bring you a full story because there's this young lady before and after will make you shed tears. We'll talk about drugs because until then, the comment section is for all of us. Let me hear your thoughts in the comment section and continue to follow the page for more Mediani Citizen. Ojo Jr. God bless you.